How do you store shoes? What's the best way to store makeup or craft supplies? How can you make your food storage tub and saucepan lids easily accessible without them falling out of the cupboard every time you open the door? Do you live in a small house or a flat or a modern home that was built without much storage space? Have you done all the decluttering you can do, but you're still struggling to store everything? I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, and I'm the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter and chaos for peace of mind and productivity. As I always say, when your home works, your life works. And I'm over the moon to launch my new video course, Genius Storage Solutions for Every Room in Your Home. In the course, I share a ton of awesome organising tricks with you, clever storage solutions for tricky items from craft supplies to gardening stuff. I've got solutions for your kitchen, bathroom, home office, bedroom, kids' bedroom, lounge and dining room, and for storage spaces like a utility room, understairs cupboard, linen cupboard, garage, outhouse, basement or attic. Not only that, but I'll let you into my organising secrets, how I go about coming up with clever storage solutions, and my go-to organising tools, most of which you've probably got around your home already. If you want light bulb moments that with a simple tip or trick transform your everyday life and remove those tiny yet massive irritations like knocking over the electric toothbrush every morning and never being able to find a duvet cover of the right size, you're going to love this course. Once you're on the course, you can access the 15 lectures and nearly an hour and a half of content in your own time. You get lifetime access, so you can watch the lectures you find most helpful again and again whenever you like. And if you've got questions, you've got direct access to me. The course costs $59.99 US, but just for the first 5 days, you can get lifetime access for the incredible price of $9.99. The link's below this video, so don't miss the only chance you'll get to grab the course at this super cheap introductory price. You're going to love this course, and I'm going to love taking you through it. See you there.